Hey Mike, it's Devin again. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone. I know you're out of town right now, so I'm sending this a little later on. But in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Lawnsmith. Because if you type in Dallas Roofing Company, these guys show up at the top. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. You're probably asking why I would make this video for you in the first place, and I just found out a lot of roofing contractors are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. The only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people just take this information and do it themselves. Some people say, Devin, I like you. I don't have the time to do this. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do is totally okay with me. My only goal is to help you and educate you and just show you how to make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, I really love the look of your logo. Your whole website is super, super clean, really simple, straight to the point, but your logo is super unique. It's like 2D and 3D at the same time. I've seen tons of roofing logos. I work with primarily roofing contractors, but this logo is just, it's awesome. I don't know, I feel like it's 3D and 2D at the same time. You're probably going for that. But the whole website is super clean. I love the colors. You're a Texas Tech alumni, so is my girlfriend. She's also Texas Tech alumni. You don't really care about that. But anyways, my first tip is content. The average website on the front page of Google has 1,500 words of content on it, which is all the stuff that you can read. So if I copy all of your content, I paste in this word counter, you have 334 words of content. Like I said, 1,500 is the average amount. If we go to Lawnsmith, these guys have 1,055. So it's one of the big reasons they're outranking you, but by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water, and you're going to give yourself more room to fit in what's called keywords. A keyword is a phrase someone commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So we have, like, I pulled up some for you, and just so you don't have to pay for the software, go ahead and pause the video whenever you want to in the future so you can put these keywords inside of your content. So, like, for example, Dallas Roofing, 600 people search that every month. Or Roofing Company Dallas, 500 people search that every month. If you were number one just for these 2 keywords, that means you would show up number one in front of 1,100 people every month in Dallas who wanted to purchase roofing. Imagine how crazily that would change your business. So you want to make sure that you have these keywords inside of your content. Like Dallas Roofing Company, you don't have it anywhere in here. So just make sure, or like let's say Dallas Roofing, you don't have that. Dallas Roofers, you don't have that. So make sure you put these keywords inside of your content, and you can also save your images as keywords too. So instead of Halo Logo Final, you can call this Dallas Roofers, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. So that's my first tip regarding content. My next tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. You're going to have a lot more power with other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. The tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to pay for it. There's plenty of free tools. Just Google backlink checker and you can see the same info. It says you have 5 websites linking to you. Great job. Lawnsmith has 332 linking to them. If I were in your shoes, I'd copy them. If these 332 websites are trustworthy and relevant enough to rank Lawnsmith, they're going to be trustworthy and relevant enough to rank you too. So I'd go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own. And a lot of times it's really easy. Like, for example, Angie, Yellow Pages, Super Pages. On these websites, all you do is you join a pro network, create a free account, join, and you put a link in your profile back to your website. And that's simple. You've got a backlink. So it's pretty easy. It just takes some time. But if you copy them in backlinks and you beat their content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically. If you want to show up number 1 in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, kind of like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, stuff like that. If I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories AM Roofing Company was in. I put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch. If AM Roofing Company was in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in like 300. But that's all I have for you, Mike. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of your content and save your images as keywords. Take the websites linking to Lawnsmith and get them linking back to yourself, and then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in AM Roofing Company. If you follow these 3 tips, Mike, this is how you become number 1 across the entire front page of Google and get all the free business growth that comes with being there. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route, and the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're gonna have to do because your competitors are doing this already. If you have any questions or you want any help getting it done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. But it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Mike. I hope you enjoyed your vacation, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you later.